Over 70% of gasoline sold in America doesn't have enough detergents to keep your engine clean. And because of that, thousands of vehicles end up with carbon buildup, clogged injectors, and failing fuel systems every single year. And today, I'm going to call them out. The 8 gasoline brands mechanics see causing the most damage. And at the end, I'll show you 5 that actually protect your engine. Let's get into it. Number 8. Safeway Gasoline. Safeway looks harmless. Convenient location, decent price. But independent fuel tests have shown their detergent levels sit well below what automakers actually recommend. Top-tier certification requires 2.5 times more detergent than the EPA minimum. Safeway doesn't come close. I had a customer bring in her Civic last year, 79,000 miles, and the intake valves were so caked in carbon I needed a scraper to get through it. He thought he was saving money filling up there. He paid $1,800 to clean the carbon and replace 2 injectors. Those savings evaporated fast. When a fuel skimps on cleaning agents, your engine doesn't run clean. It runs tired, and it gets worse from here. Number 7. 7-Eleven. Here's something most people don't know. 7-Eleven doesn't refine its own fuel. They buy from whatever local supplier gives them the cheapest deal that week. That means the gas at one location could be completely different from the next one down the road. Zero consistency. A guy brought in his Camry after filling up at 7-Eleven. Within 10 miles, the engine was misfiring. We tested the fuel and found 18% ethanol. The pump said 10%. That extra ethanol was tearing apart his fuel system from the inside. State inspectors have shut down multiple 7-Eleven pumps over the years for off-spec fuel. Saving a few cents per gallon isn't worth that gamble. Number 6. Circle K. Circle K is everywhere, which makes it easy to trust. Don't. They buy fuel from local distributors, same as 7-Eleven, and quality control is all over the place. 3. A customer with a Tahoe fill up at Circle K on a Sunday night. Monday morning, it wouldn't start. We found water had separated in the fuel tank. Fuel pump was gone. Injectors corroded. Total bill was $3,400 from one tank of bad gas. In 2020, multiple Circle K stations across the South were fined for selling water-contaminated fuel that damaged dozens of vehicles. The company blamed delivery issues. That excuse doesn't fix anyone's engine. Number 5. Murphy, USA. You'll find these stations right outside Walmart parking lots nationwide. Murphy, USA built their entire business model around one thing, being the cheapest option nearby. When cheap is the whole strategy, the detergent package is usually the first thing that gets cut. I had a 2017 Silverado come in with 68,000 miles, running so rough it shook on idle. All 8 plugs were fouled. Carbon scoring in the cylinders. The catalytic converters were starting to clog. The owner had saved maybe $300 over 3 years filling up at Murphy. He paid $4,200 in repairs. Fuel sample data from multiple states shows Murphy's detergent levels consistently fall short of top-tier standards. Their ethanol content fluctuates too, which throws off fuel trims and causes dirty burns. Number 4. Speedway. Clean stations, bright signs, looks professional. But Speedway sources fuel from mixed local suppliers, just like the others. You never actually know what's going into your tank. A woman brought in her Accord after it died right after a Speedway fill-up. We drained the tank and found the fuel was nearly 40% water. One tank. The fuel pump was already corroding and the injectors were starting to rust internally. Speedway isn't top-tier certified. They meet the legal minimum and that's it. The outside looks polished. What's in the pumps tells a different story. Number 3. Pilot Flying J. Pilot Flying J is a household name for truckers and road trippers. But this brand has been in the news for reasons that have nothing to do with fuel quality. In 2013, the FBI raided their headquarters after the company admitted to cheating truckers out of millions in fuel rebates. That tells you something about how they prioritize the people using their stations. The fuel quality complaints never stopped either. A trucker I know ran his Cummins diesel on Pilot exclusively for about a year. Injectors scored and leaking. Fuel pump failed from water contamination. Particulate filter clogged beyond cleaning. His repair bill came to $8,700. he saved maybe $500 that year on fuel costs. When a company is more focused on sales volume than what's actually coming out of the nozzle, the engines pay for it. Number 2. Sunoco regular grade. Sunoco's name is all over NASCAR, so people assume the fuel at the pump is the same quality. It's not even close. Their racing fuel and their regular pump gas are completely different products. A customer with a BMW 335. I started using Sunoco because of the NASCAR branding. 6 months later, the high-pressure fuel pump failed. Injectors needed replacement. Carbon buildup was so severe the valves wouldn't seal properly. $4,100 repair on a well-maintained car. The only thing that changed was the fuel. Consumer watchdog tests have shown Sunoco's base grade regularly falls short on detergents. In 2016, the EPA fined multiple Sunoco locations for selling fuel that didn't meet clean air standards. The racing image is real. The pump gas doesn't live up to it. Number 1. Stations caught selling contaminated fuel. This one goes beyond cutting corners. I'm talking about fuel distributors who have been caught blending hazardous waste into gasoline and selling it to stations that had no idea. Companies like Lamb Fuels made headlines for exactly this. Fuel laced with used motor oil, industrial solvents, chemical byproducts, stuff that should never go near a combustion engine. The worst case I personally saw, a family filled up at a station that had unknowingly bought contaminated fuel. They made it 31 miles before the engine seized solid. The fuel had dissolved the oil. The engine was scrap metal. $7,000 for a replacement engine from one fill-up. Most drivers never know what hit them until it's too late. These aren't just bad business decisions, they're criminal. If you're still watching, you just saw how a few cents per gallon can turn into a $3,000 repair bill. Most drivers don't connect the two until it's too late, so do yourself a favor. Hit like and subscribe right now. Now here's what you actually want to know. 5 brands that take engine protection seriously. Number 5. Chevron with Techron. Techron isn't a marketing term. It's a real polyethyramine-based detergent formula running at 3 to 4 times the EPA minimum. I've opened engines with over 200,000 miles that ran mostly on Chevron, valves clean, injectors flowing perfectly. It's top-tier certified and one of the most trusted fuels among mechanics and performance drivers alike. Number 4. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. Shell spends more on fuel research than most companies spend on their entire product lineup. Their nitrogen-enriched formula doesn't just clean deposits, it forms a molecular barrier that actively prevents them from forming. Every Shell station follows the same top-tier standard, so there's no guessing. A Lexus IS 350 customer of mine put 195,000 miles on nothing but Shell. When we opened it up, the internals looked factory fresh. Original injectors, never cleaned, still flowing perfectly. Number 3. ExxonMobil Synergy. What sets ExxonMobil apart is consistency. Even their regular grade meets top-tier standards, not just the premium. You get the same detergent formula in every gallon regardless of which grade you buy. A Tundra came in for a timing belt at 340,000 miles. The owner used nothing but ExxonMobil. When I pulled the valve covers, there was no sludge, no varnish, just clean metal. ExxonMobil holds more fuel patents than any other company. They're not just selling gas, they're engineering it. Number 2, Costco Gasoline. Most people expect warehouse gas to be low quality. Costco flips that completely. Their fuel is top-tier certified, and independent lab tests have shown it often contains more cleaning additives than major name brands. They turn over their entire tank inventory every 24 to 48 hours. No stale fuel sitting around collecting moisture. A 4Runner owner I know put 315,000 miles on his truck using exclusively Costco gas for 10 years. When we did the head gasket, the internals looked better than most 100,000-mile engines I work on. Premium quality at a price that's usually lower than the competition. Number 1, BP Ultimate. Not regular BP, Ultimate specifically. The detergent package in this blend is strong enough to remove existing carbon buildup, not just prevent new deposits. I've had customers switch to Ultimate after years on cheap gas, and within 3 or 4 tanks, they notice a difference. Smoother idle, better throttle response. A Range Rover customer switched after carbon buildup issues. 3 months later, we scoped the cylinders, and the deposits were literally breaking down. BP claims Ultimate keeps engines up to 60% cleaner than fuels using minimum detergent levels. Based on what I see in the shop, that tracks. If this changed the way you look at gas stations, hit that like button. It really does help more drivers avoid expensive mistakes. Subscribe for more real, experience-based advice that keeps your engine running the way it should. And before you go, watch our next video where we expose everyday car habits that quietly destroy engines over time. Now, I want to hear from you. What gas station do you usually fill up at, and are you rethinking it after this? Drop it in the comments.